Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a acyclic data archiving in the Siemens WinCC. With this method, data is logged only when a specific event occurs, triggered by a tag, changes, or a script. Like specific tag is change state from 0 to 1. On only that time data will historize. Acyclic acquisition is ideal when you only want to log data based on specific condition instead of continue or cyclic logging. Data is recorded when whenever a predefined event happen, making it an efficient solution for capturing critical information while minimizing unnecessary data storage. With cyclic with acyclic acquisition, data archiving or historizing is driving by event. This could be a tag reaching a certain value, a condition being met, or even a custom script. When the event is triggered, data is logged, capture key information only when needed. For example, you might want to archive any of the data when the temperature data only when the temperature data exceed a critical threshold value like 80 degrees centigrade. So if the temperature data exceed the 80 degrees centigrade, only in that case you want to historize some particular tags data inside the database, or when a specific uh, trigger, so a specific boolean value is triggered, or a specific button is pressed in the HMI. On that time you want to historize the data. It will not historize continuously as in the previous tutorial. We will we see in the like continuously data is logging. Then we saw once the one bit is true, and that time data is logging. But here it's different. Once the value becomes 0 to 1, it will log data only on that time. So as you can see in the cyclic method, data is continuously after 5 second interval is logging. So let's see how we can configure acyclic data logging in the WinCC SCADA. So I will close this table, come here in the tag logging, open. And in the previous tutorial, we already configured this process tag. And here in the acquisition type, we will select acyclic. And then we'll select our the event. Okay. Here upside, if you have any custom script, you can put it any custom script. And in this tutorial, I'm just taking one tag, for example, POM1 feedback. So once the POM1 feedback is true, on that time, it just historize the data. Otherwise, it will not historize the data. So that's it. Just close it. And after that, come in graph designer, we'll create a one button to just simulate the pump run feedback value. I will just put a one button on the pump and then mouse click, see action, and then tag, then set tag and set the bit value. And I'll remove this strip, click it here, and then select the set tag bit. and I will select it here. My tag is one feedback, and once I press the button, the one value should be right inside the tag. You just have to compile and verify there is no error, and then just duplicate it and we'll change the text like off, and come here, we'll change our script. So instead of 1, just put 0. So once I will press off button, so in that case it will become, it will write value 0 value. So that's it. Just run. So as you can see, now it's not like logging any of the historical value. It stopped like 7:18. Okay, as you, just 2 minutes pass, it's not logging any value. So for example, if I will turn on this button, so as you can see, it just log few of the values. And if I will turn off it, okay, and if I will on again, so it just is rising value only when the bit is triggered. So it will not continuously log, even the bit is on, it will not continuously log the values. Only upon change it will, once the state from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, in that case only it will historize the value. So that's it for today. Alhamdulillah, we'll learn how we can configure a cyclic acquisition method inside the WinCC SCADA, and we'll learn how, if the tag state change, like condition change from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, on that time only it's historize the value, otherwise it will not historize. Thanks for watching this video.